Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So if this is the first time you're finding our channel, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because in this channel we talk about importation and business, how you can make money online, guys. So in today's video we are going to be talking about 7 smart ways to make money from importation business in Nigeria, guys, without importing anything. So that's exactly what we'll be talking about today, guys. So you don't want to miss out on that, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video because it will help you out to get started. Because like I said, without importing anything, that means you don't need to have any money before you can make money in importation business. Yes, so a lot of people only know one way, which is by importing products in Nigeria, then sells to their customer, guys. So I want to show you that there are a lot of ways you can do that. Like there are a lot of ways, different ways you can make money in importation business, guys. So now let's get started. So the first way I want to talk about is you can make money from importation by helping people to clear their goods, guys. Yes, by helping people to clear their goods, guys. So you don't have to have any money before you can do that. And this is a full breakdown how that works, guys. So like an example now, if you are using, like, let's say your customers is using Skyjet now. Let's say an importer is using a Skyjet. You know, Skyjet's cheap to 3 locations, which is Lagos, Onisha, and Kano, guys. You understand? So let's say you are in Lagos now, you reside in Lagos, guys. So you can help these people to go and pick up their goods in Lagos and then help them to send to their location, guys. For an example, let's say like he or she stays in ABK now, which is Abeokuta, guys, and you stays in Lagos. You can help the person to pick up his or her goods at Lagos. Then you will bill the goods to Ogun State, guys. So that's how it is, this, guys. So you just charge them and then you get a little fee, like a commission, guys. So you can do that and make money. I have student that does that, guys, and she's making a cool earning, guys. So that is one of the way you can do that, and it's kind of stressful at first, and after sometimes you will adapt to it and everything will be great, guys. So that's how it is, guys. Yes, like any other business, like it will be stressful at first because you don't really know how to go with the transit and all, but it is that easy. What you just need to do is pick up their goods and send. And one of the way you can send is that you can send in different locations, guys. So here are places you can send your goods, guys. So you can send in park, guys. So park, make sure you go to park, and how this is how it works. You ask the driver the number, guys. You collect the driver's numbers, then you will snap the driver license, guys. So which is their plate number. So those are the two things you need, guys. So and then you will be calling them, oh, where have you get to and all, guys. So that's how it is. You will wave it from one state to another and you will get your money cool cash. So that's the first way. And I promise you, at first you would, I would say, you will be making, like, let's say roughly like 100K, 150K. It just depends on your reach on importers, guys. And you can meet a lot of importers through like groups, guys. So you can join all these importation groups and then you make a flyer. You can make a flyer and design a flyer on Canva, guys. So if you can't do that, I can also teach you. Just message me. I'll teach you how to use Canva. So you will use Canva to design a flyer, guys. So in that flyer, you just like you'll be posting it on all these different importation groups and all, guys. So at first people will not trust you. Of course, people will not trust you. So then when you get to some point in time, like you might see one person that will need your service, guys. So just be fair and render the service, and I promise you, you will all be good, guys. So you just need one person. If that one person ordered from you, then everything will deliver successfully. I promise you, she will, like, he or she will talk about your business, that, oh, this person helped me to pick up my goods and I got it, like it is intact, guys. So that's how it works. Like that's the full blueprint on how to help people to pick up their goods, guys. So it's that easy. Oh, it's not easy as it says, but you understand, it's that easy. You can make money doing that, guys. So the second way you can also make money on importation, guys, without importing any goods is by selling RMB, guys, or yuan. So RMB is Chinese fund, guys. just like in Nigeria we use naira, so China use yuan or RMB, guys. So you can be buying yuan, you understand. You will find a supplier that sells yuan, guys. So you will find a bureau de change that has yuan, guys. Then you will be exchanging yuan to naira, guys. You don't need to have any money, guys. All you just need to do is when someone pays you to buy yuan, then you will use that money to pay your supplier, guys. You see that different exchange rates, that is where you will be making your money. For an example now, let's say you sell yuan to 230 for your customer, guys, and then your bureau de change charges like 225 for yuan, guys. So you see that 5 naira difference, that's how you will be making your money. Yes, that 5 naira difference. So some people will be like, oh, 5 naira is too small or something like that, guys. So I promise you that if someone buy like 3,000, 1,000 yuan from you, guys, you will know that 5 naira is a lot of money. Yes, a lot of money, guys. So that's how it is, guys. It's not rocket science, guys. All you just need to do is find a reliable bureau de change, guys. So if you want to be selling R&B, guys, so it is something hard, guys. Yes, it is something hard because, well, in my next video, I'll be talking about R&B because there are different kind of R&B, guys. So you don't need to get scammed or get your Alipay blocked, guys. Yes, because you can get your Alipay blocked if you have a bad fund, guys. So there are bad funds and different type of funds on yuan, guys. So I will be teaching you about that in my next video, guys. So watch out for that, guys. So that is the second way you can make money, guys. You will be buying yuan from a bureau de change, then you will be selling to your importers, guys. You'll be selling to your fellow importers, guys. So that is how buying and selling of R&B works, guys. So there is not really much different, guys. You can be making like 2 naira or 3 naira per yuan, guys. But trust me, when this one buy 200 yuan, this one buy 300 yuan, this one buy 500 yuan, this one buy 1,000 yuan, guys. If everything add up, trust me, it's a lot of money, guys. Yes, actually, I don't sell R&B, guys, because I have a worst experience about it. But there are a lot of people into that business and they are making good money, guys. So you can also start with that and make money for yourself. So guys, the next thing on my list is become a procurement agent, guys. So you see this procurement agent, this is my niche, guys. I love procurement because this is another way I make money on importation business, guys. Yes, I help people to buy goods from China down to Nigeria without them even doing anything. Like they don't really need to learn about importation at all. What I just need is that they will send me a picture of what I need and I will find the supplier, do all the edit, help them with the transit and haul, help them with the shipping. Then when their goods get to Nigeria, I will give them their goods. So it is that easy, guys. So that is what we call procurement, guys. So that is my niche. That is one of the way I also make money on importation business, guys. So that's exactly how it works. People that are new to importation or anything, like they just want to buy their stuff, they are not really interested in learning. You will just charge them per product you buy. Understand? So this is how it works exactly, guys. So what you need to do is that, for example, now let's say like you will charge the total like 5% of the total order they bought. For an example, now let's say you have someone now and the person bought a goods worth about like 2 million, let's just say 1 million. So let's say 1 million naira now. So you will charge 5% of 1 million naira. And how much is 5% of 1 million naira? That is 50,000, guys. So if you have someone to buy a goods worth 1 million naira, guys, so your gain will be 50,000 naira. So that is how procurement works, guys. So if it is 500,000, so your gain will be 25,000, guys. So if you have a lot of customer like me now, like I have like tons of people. I don't want to put a number to it to be exact. So I have tons of people I help to buy goods, guys. So I just charge them 5%, guys. So they're worried, like they're worry less, like they don't have to do anything. They'll just send me a picture of what they want and I will help them with the solution, guys. Both the finding the right supplier, the shipping, everything, guys. I will handle everything. What they just need to do is that when their goods get to Nigeria, they should pick it up. That's it. I will send them to their state or anywhere. So that's just easy, guys. So procurement is my own, like is my own field. So that's another business I have in importation, guys. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about is becoming an importation coach, guys. So being an importation coach is also another like cool cash way to make money in importation business, guys. So you don't have to import anything, guys. All you just need to do is teach people how to import goods, guys. So that's just easy. Like what you just need to do is you create a Instagram or TikTok or anywhere, guys, any platform you want to use, guys. But I would advise you to use TikTok, guys, because TikTok is booming right now, guys, and you will have a lot of customers, guys, or potential customers on TikTok. So what you just need to do is you will open a TikTok account and you will be educating people on importation, guys. So people that are interested, then you will send them to WhatsApp, guys, and then you will charge them, guys. So a lot of people charge different prices, like it ranges from like 10K, 50K. I've even seen someone that charges 120K before for importation, guys. So that's just how crazy it is, guys. You can make a lot of money, but it won't be easy at first. I won't lie to you. Yes, it won't be easy because there are a lot of competition in that field, just like any other field, guys. So there are a lot of competition everywhere, guys. What you just need to do is you need to be stand out, guys. When you stand out, again, a lot of people will fuck with your content. So that's just how it is, guys. So you don't have to be weird doing all these things, guys. All you just need to do is set up your camera and teach people how to import, guys. So that's it. And if you have like a little money to spend, guys, so you can scale up quickly, guys. What you just need to do is you run all these TikTok ads or WhatsApp TV ad, guys. You know, all those WhatsApp TV that they'll post memes and all, guys. So you can run all those WhatsApp TVs ad, guys. So they will go to your page, then they will start interacting with your page and all, guys. So if they like your content, so like that's how easy it is, guys. And if you have like enough, guys, you can try Facebook ad or even TikTok ad, guys. So that's just how it is with importation training, guys. But before you start importation training, you need enough knowledge about importation, guys. You can't just go around and start teaching people rubbish, guys. You need to have a deeper knowledge about importation and how it works, everything, guys. So like the cons about being an importation coach, guys, like you need to be updating your knowledge every time, guys, because you need to update people you are teaching, guys. You can't be teaching them old method, guys, because if you teach them old method and it doesn't work, then they will call you out, and that's not good for business because now you don't have any platform, guys, to make any money from again. So that's just how it is, guys. So another way you can make money, guys, is being a packing agent, guys. So being a packing agent is one of the lucrative business in importation you can start, like without any money, guys. So you can start this part. What you just need to do is that you need to have someone in China, guys, because when you have someone in China, that person will help you with the quality check and the packing and everything, guys. Because one of the problem we importers face is that like shipping fee, guys. Shipping fee is very, very expensive, guys. So when we talk about packing agent, what did packing agent do? They help us to minimize the shipping fee, guys. And how did they do that, guys? So when we buy goods from China, instead of us sending the goods directly to our warehouse, guys, no, we won't do that. We will send it to our packing agent, guys. So what will our packing agent do? The packing agents will put every goods together, guys. Yes, your shipping company also put your goods together, but they don't really put it inside each other. You understand? They will just package everything, they will package it together. But your packing agent, guys, what they do is that, for example, now let's say you bought one freezer and then you buy a lot of things. Let's say you buy a lot of sneakers and all, guys. So what will your packing agent do? Your packing agent will put all those sneakers and the rest of the thing, they will put it inside the freezer, guys, and then they will seal it, guys. So that's what packing agent do. So when they do that, it will eliminate the shipping fee of all the sneakers and the rest of the things you bought, guys. So you will be only be charged for the freezer part. Like you will be charged for the freezer price, guys. So that's how it was, guys. But if you ship directly to your shipping company, guys, what your shipping company will do is that they will pack your freezer separately, and then they will pack the sneakers and the rest, guys. They will pack it separately. They won't put it inside the freezer, guys. So that is how packing agents works, guys. But before this can happen, you need to have someone in China that can help you to do that, and a trusted person, guys, or or a trusted company. You can also find a trusted company, guys. Like me now, I have a company I use for that, guys. So I've been using them for like 6 months now, and I like the service. Actually, I've only used them once though, and I used them like 6 months ago, and promise you, I was so happy, guys, because so this my customer bought a freezer, guys, and after the freezer, she also bought a plasma TV, guys. So what I told them to do is that like I told the supplier to help me to put a like a wooden packing for the plasma so that there won't be any problem at all. So I told the packing agent to help me to put the plasma TV inside the freezer, guys. So after that, it eliminates the shipping fee for the plasma, guys. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you want the packing agent contact, guys, so you can DM me on WhatsApp, guys. So I'll drop my WhatsApp in the description, guys. So you can just message me on WhatsApp, guys. So I will send you the packing agents and you can use them. Promise you, it is tested and trusted, guys. So that's just how it is about that. So the next thing I also want to talk about is group buy, guys. Yes, group buy has been trendy recently, guys. So group buy is one of the like coolest way to make money on importation, guys. So what is group buy? Group buy means, let's say now you'll find a supplier that sell, let's say a ceramic plate now. Then let's say the MOP of the supplier is 100, guys. So what you just need to do is you find people that need the ceramic plate. After that, you put everybody in one group, guys. After you put everybody in one group, then let's say now the ceramic plate is 13,000, guys. So you can just charge everybody for the ceramic plate for 15,000. You see that 2,000, that's your own gain, guys. So that's just how easy group buy is. So you'll be making money off people, and what you just need to do is find a good supplier, guys. And also the quality must make sense, guys. So that's why I said a good supplier. So when you get a good supplier that can give you a good product, guys, so what you just need to do is find people that need that product. And how do you find people? You can find people in different ways, guys. So if you have a lot of importation group, guys, just post and all that. Okay, this thing, the supplier sell MOQ of 100, guys, and let's just say like you have 50 people and you need more 50 people, guys, to join so that you can buy the ceramic plate, guys. So a lot of people will join your group and then they will patronize you, guys. So that's just how it is, guys. And if you have spare change to spend, guys, you can run a little bit of hard, guys. So hard is very important in business if you want to grow so fast, guys. So you want hard and then you see a lot of customers, guys. And if you don't have the money for hard, guys, so don't be discouraged also, because organic also works, guys. What you just need to do is you need to be consistent, guys. So when you are consistent, you will see a lot of people that are interested in your crafts, guys. So that's just how it is. Like that's one of the way you can make money by group buy, guys. So the last one on the list I also want to talk about is starting a product reselling business, guys. So how does this work, guys? So this is very easy, guys. What you just need to do is find a whale, guys. So what did I mean by a whale? An importer that imports large products, guys. So what you just need to do is you partner with that person. And how do you do that? You just tell the person that, oh, you sell on Jumia or Konga or anywhere, or you have a physical store or something. So you can just tell them that I will pay for 50 products, but I want you to give me 100 products, guys. So, and if you don't have any money, guys, don't worry, guys. What you just need to do is you will drop ship from that store, guys. It's just like another name for dropship, guys. So you will dropship from the whale store, then you will sell to your customer. If you sell on Jumia, you will dropship from the person and sell on Jumia. If you sell on Konga, you will dropship and sell on Konga, guys. So it is that easy, guys. So that will be all for today, guys. So if you have any question at all about everything we've talked about in this video, guys, drop it in the comment section and I promise you I will answer you. Like if you still want in-depth explanation, guys, what you just need to do is message me on WhatsApp, guys, and I will help you with everything you need, guys. So thank you, guys, for tuning in into another video, guys. So drop a like and share this video to your friends, guys, so that they can also learn that you don't have to have money before you can start importation, guys. So thank you for today and I will see you next time. Bye for now.